Welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today I'm going to show you how to disable FenKey on Windows 10, and I'll guide you through every step to make it simple and easy. In this video, you'll learn how to turn off the FenKey using Device Manager and your keyboard settings. Step 1. Open Search on your Windows 10 taskbar, type Device Manager, and click on it. This is where you can manage all your hardware devices and drivers, and it's important because the FN key behavior can sometimes be controlled through your keyboard driver. Step 2. Once Device Manager is open, expand the keyboard section by clicking the arrow next to it and locate your keyboard device in the list. This shows all the keyboards connected to your computer, and finding the correct one is crucial for updating the driver properly. Step 3. Right-click on your keyboard device and select Update Driver from the menu. This step is important because an outdated or missing driver can prevent your FN key from working correctly, and updating it ensures your keyboard functions as expected. Step 4. Click on Search for drivers automatically, and make sure the best drivers are installed for your keyboard. Windows will look for the latest updates online, which helps in resolving any FN key issues without any extra software. Step 5. If your keyboard comes with dedicated software, open that program, go to Settings, and make sure it is up to date. This software often includes additional options for function keys, and keeping it updated ensures you have all the latest features and fixes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.